In this video, I'll show you how to add a signature field in PandaDoc step by step so you can prepare documents for smooth e-signing. Start by opening your document in the editor view, not preview mode, so you can make changes. On the right side, select the correct recipient from the drop-down, as each signature field must be assigned to a specific signer. Then locate the signature field option, usually marked with a pen icon, and simply drag and drop it onto your document where you want the signature to appear. You can resize and reposition it for a clean layout, and if multiple people need to sign, switch recipients and repeat the process. It's also a good idea to mark fields as required to avoid missed signatures. Always double-check placement and assignments before sending to ensure a smooth signing experience. Subscribe for more easy tech guides.